So glad you're still here with us on Colorado & Company. I'm Jackie Polisi in for Denise Plant today. As you might know, Medicare can be really confusing for seniors, really for any of us, and it can be as hard as learning a new language. Well, UnitedHealthcare is doing its best to make the transition to Medicare as easy as possible. It's all part of Denver Medicare Education Week, September 15th through the 21st. This signifies the importance of making informed healthcare decisions. Liz McPherson is here with us. She's with UnitedHealthcare in Denver, and she has more about what seniors need to know before open enrollment starts October 15th. We were saying we can't believe it's already here again.
I know.
You were just here.
I was just here.
So what is National Medicare Education Week all about?
Well, it's an official week dedicated to Medicare education. So whether you're a baby boomer getting ready to turn 65, maybe you're already on Medicare, you're helping a family member or a loved one navigate Medicare, this is that time of year to become informed about this health insurance plan.
Okay, and we said that the National Medicare Education Week is September 15th through the 21st. So how can folks find out more and the best way to learn more, get involved?
That's a great question. You can learn more by going to nmew.com. Or you can attend an educational event here in Denver. Mayor Michael Hancock has proclaimed the week of the 15th through the 21st as Denver Medicare Education Week as well.
Okay. All right. Okay. Why did UnitedHealthcare create National Medicare Education Week? I mean, it is obvious that it's needed, but
Sure.
Why was it important to do that?
Well, it's important because 56 million Americans are on Medicare, and 70% of those that are getting ready to turn Medicare age are telling us that they're confused about how Medicare works.
Yeah, well, and look at this. So 10,000 baby boomers turn 65 each day, and more than 65 million Americans are enrolled.
Exactly. And so we saw that there was a real need for clear Medicare education.
Yes, yes. Okay, so how can seniors and baby boomers in Denver participate?
Well, probably the best thing to do, again, is either go to nmew.com. You can also go to MedicareMadeClear.com. But if you want to do something fun and in person, we'll be at the Art Museum on September 15th after 10 a.m. for the Seniors in September event.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, well, you can also learn more, and we were just giving the numbers out. Learn more at MedicareMadeClear.com or by calling 1-800-MEDICARE. There are also people standing by to take your call, and that's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's really reassuring.
It is, and it's needed. It's important that you understand how your health benefits work so you can take advantage of them.
Okay, and there's some different parts to Medicare. There's Part A, there's Part B. What does all that mean?
So Medicare does have 4 parts. We have Part A, and probably in the highest level sense, Part A is your hospital benefit. Part B is your doctor benefit. Part C are the Medicare Advantage plans run by private insurance companies. Those take your Medicare Part A and Part B, your doctor and hospitalization, and we roll it up into one plan that oftentimes includes some prescription drug benefits as well.
Very good. Okay, so open enrollment begins October 15th, and so what should seniors think about as they start to compare Medicare coverage options?
It's important that everybody take the time to shop the Medicare plans that are available. They change from year to year, and we've learned that 60% of people never actually take a look at other plans that are available. So you want to make sure that if the plan still meets your budget, has your health changed? Have your finances changed? Has your doctor's network changed if your plan has a network? Are the prescriptions that you want still available on the formulary? Those are all really important questions to ask yourself this time of year.
It's easy to just check the boxes that you did the year before, but really important to really assess those options and how they fit into your life now.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so Seniors in September event, what should we expect? What's happening?
We're going to have vendors there that are all senior focused. Mayor Hancock is going to make an appearance. They're serving lunch, and we'll be at our Medicare booth making sure that we are available to answer questions.
Okay. You completed a survey with seniors and those approaching Medicare eligibility. What did they tell you about their understanding of the Medicare?
Well, we found that most people are very confused about how Medicare works, but we also found that after attending a Medicare educational event, 97% of people said that they felt like they had learned something and that they knew more about Medicare than when they started.
I love the name of your website, MedicareMadeClear.com. So what resources are there and available for us to look at?
That's a great website. You can go to that. You can learn about when to enroll in Medicare, how to enroll in Medicare, what Medicare covers, what an Advantage plan is, what a Medigap supplement is all of your Medicare questions.
You were calling yourself a Medicare geek earlier.
I am officially a Medicare geek, yes.
Well, you know a lot, and this is great information, and you're the first Medicare geek I've ever met, I have to say.
It's a club. I'm just saying we have a club.
Well, you're doing a great service for all those folks and all those who will be confused as we get closer. So thank you so much for joining us
Thanks
today.
for having me.
Of course, of course. So Medicare open enrollment starts October 15th. To learn more about your options, visit Medicare Made Easy or MedicareMadeClear.com, or you can call the number, and that's 1-800-MEDICARE. That's 1-800-MEDICARE. The phone lines are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. UnitedHealthcare will also host a booth at the Seniors in September Expo at the Denver Art Museum. That's Thursday, September 15th, starting at 10 a.m. Admission is free, and attendees will be able to grab Medicare options and in-person Medicare advice. UnitedHealthcare paid for today's segment.